Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. I hope you guys have all had an amazing week, and I hope even more that you got outside to enjoy this weather. I know Rylee and I did, and she's all clean now because when we were on our walk earlier, she jumped right into a pond. So she had to get a bath, and she did not like that a whole lot. So she's all clean now, though, and ready for bed, and I hope you all are too. And the story I picked tonight is a special one for a very special little girl that was in my classroom last year. And I know that, Elle, you are watching tonight, and I wish more than anything that I could give you a big squeeze, and I wish that you could be sitting right here with me reading, but this will have to do for now. The story that I picked tonight is a Piggy and Elephant book, and I picked this one because it's one of my most favorite stories to read, and in fact, I always make sure to read it to my class every single year, and sometimes even more than one time a year. So if you've heard this one, I hope you enjoy it again tonight. This one is There is a Bird on Your Head. This one is one of my most favorite to read, so of course, here we get started. There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Piggy! Is there something on my head? Yes! There is a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! I think that's probably how I would feel too if there was a bird on my head. I would not like that. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now, there are two birds on your head. Man, look at Gerald's face. He does not look happy about that. What are there two birds on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know that they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Kind of like they're building him a hat, right? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. This makes me think about Rylee and I have been watching a couple of birds build a nest in a tree right out in our front yard. I wonder if you've seen any nests outside at your house. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Well, then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. So he went from a bird on his head to 2 birds on his head to a nest on his head, and then 3 eggs on his head in the nest with the 2 birds. That is a lot. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. So now he had 2 adult birds and 3 baby birds. Rylee, he has 5 birds on his head. Can you believe that? 5 birds. I don't think I would like that, would you? Why not? Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds in a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Maybe we should put them on Rylee's head. Rylee, would you like 2 birds and 3 baby chicks and a nest on your head? I don't think she would. Somewhere else. Okay, let's see where they go, Rylee. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. There they go. They're going to find somewhere else. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. Are you ready? This is my favorite part. You are welcome. So now, the birds aren't on Gerald's head. They're just on Piggy's head now. Look at Piggy's face. She does not look very happy about that, huh? So, I hope you all enjoyed that fun story tonight. I hope you have an even more amazing weekend, and I promise I will be back on Monday with a brand new story for you. Have a great night.